2017 Mini Cooper S oil change. Pop the oil cap. Looks like Schwarzenegger put this thing on the last time. God damn it, Schwarzenegger. Okay, got a cure for that. Get your $83 pliers. Gently. Pop the oil cap. So what we have is stubby screwdriver, 17, 13, and a 32. Stubby screwdriver. This is the 17mm drain plug. This is your oil filter. This is the 13mm drain plug. And then the 32 is to take the cap off. Comes out from the bottom. Make sure you have your handy dandy drain pan and your handy dandy rags. Ooh, barely. And we can close this. Oh, this one has a fucking star nut. Maybe it's got a 13 on the same end. No. Okay, so we're looking at a hex. Thank you, Mini Cooper, for changing everything. I'm never gonna get my 32 on that. There's a bar in the way. Stand by. Okay, what we're looking at is a T55. This is gonna drain right on my light, I'm sure, because of the way it's positioned. I don't think this is a very good idea, but you know those dudes at Mini Cooper, when they were designing this thing, they said, oh shit, we have to put a oil filter on there. What are we gonna do? Handy dandy rag. It's pretty handy. This is loose. Get the rag. Off we go. Right on my light. And the floor. Still on my floor. Oh, it's everywhere. No! So we got a stubby 32. AKA 1.25 inches. It's a really tight fit though. This 1/4 inch. I mean this 1/2 inch. Maybe this will work. Somewhere around here is a goddamn wrench. Right here. Come on, man. Help me out. Yeah. I think all we have to do is break it loose. Because if we don't, thing's gonna impact this bar and it ain't coming off. And the whole time it's fucking dripping. I guess we could put this back in to stop the drips or at least slow them down. See, can we spin this? Fuck no. More drips. Okay, there's your old filter. Let me stack this in here. Wipe this out. Take the old filter out. This is the bottom. Toss it in the recycle bin. More dirty shop rags. Here's the new filter we're using. There's a plethora of ones available. I don't care which one you use. New filter. Pops back in. Make sure it clicks. Then what they give us is, oh look, brass ring or copper washer. Then they give us a new one of these. Oh, and look at this one. It is 13 millimeter. almost appears to be the same. Threads are less. We'll try it. Feels like it works. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with this one. Am I? I don't know if I am. Look, it says right on there, T55. It says 5 Newton meters plus 2. Feels pretty good. Then what we need to do is replace this O-ring. If you didn't know, your hands are all oily, so now we can put this on. Okay, so we got our cap in, O-ring on, new filter in, it goes back inside the car. Dirty hands. So we got the filter, put it back in. There we go. Tighten that puppy up. It is still dripping oil. It's dripping off this line and around the edge here. Some over here, probably some up there. Then we gotta see if we can get our damn 32 on there. Yes, okay, good. And then tighten it up. Okay, we're there, and it wants about that seems good enough. Okay, filter's on. While I'm down here, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the crush washer. Because otherwise, well, we'll have had a fit. Will have had. I don't care which kind of oil you use. Oil's a personal preference. Like kind of cars you like, or food you like. Just use oil. Doesn't matter which oil you use, somebody on the internet is going to tell you it's the wrong one, and that they were a chemical engineer in the oil industry for 400 years, and it's a scam, and you're supposed to use this oil because it's better than that oil. If you don't know which kind of oil to use, don't ask a friend, because y'all won't be friends anymore. So the internet also says anywhere from 4 quarts to 5 liters so we're going to go with about 4.5 quarts to start, and then we'll do the oil level check process and add some more.